Hello guys, it's Angela with Noble Web Solutions. I just want to go over the WordPress upload limit. A lot of people tend to have issues with that if they're on like cPanel hosting or another type of hosting other than the WordPress managed hosting. So I wanted to go over that with you today and help you fix that. I'm going to be linking a post from Elegant Themes. And I typically use the Divi theme. There's a lot of plugins and just general upload issues that you can have using WordPress. cPanel limits are very, very limited, but you have the power to change that. On this post, they go over ways to change your PHP settings through like the PHP INI file, the user INI file. And I've got my limits set a little bit higher in some areas and a little bit lower in other areas. So just toy with these or go by this post until you get it right and things are loading properly for you. So if you've tried all of these and it's still not working, you're still getting errors, if you go to your dashboard in WordPress and you look at your media and add new media, you'll see here the maximum upload file size. And how you can change that in cPanel is, you go back to the home area and show you. Look for software, PHP version, and select that. You don't want to change your current PHP version. That can create a lot of issues unless you're very knowledgeable in that area. I would just leave that be. Over here you'll see switch to PHP options. So you want to click that. And in here you can change the execution time. And what that does is it maximizes the time in seconds a script is allowed to run before it is terminated. Your memory limit, the post max size, and the upload max file size. You'll want to change those. Most of them have a drop down option. I've got mine set at 256 and 128 for the max size, the post max size. Memory limit, I've got it set at 256. The execution time I have at 180. If you need to bump that up, some people have it set at 300. Once you've made your changes, just click Save, and it may take a few minutes before you notice the changes within your WordPress dashboard. And what this does is it resolves the issue of getting upload errors, and sometimes with some of the themes, like if we wanted to add a new page, and default this is what WordPress looks like. But if you're using a Divi builder and you wanted to load a layout, there are pre-made layouts that you can load. So say I wanted to do a fashion one and upload a blog page. I'd click use this layout. Now typically it'll sit there and just keep cycling and cycling and cycling if your memory limits are too low, and that can create an issue. Or if you go to save a page, you'll get the same stuff happening. And as you can see, mine loaded. It took a little bit of time, but it did load. So let's preview that real fast. And that's what it would look like. And then you can just go in and edit stuff there. But yeah, to save your PHP settings, you go into the area where it says choose, your PHP selector. And once you're in here, just look for the switch to PHP options and make the changes in there. And then everything should run pretty smooth on your site. If you need any help, give me a shout.